Ehsan Danish. Professor Ehsanullah alias Ehsan Danish, son of Habibullah Mawla Baksh Bhutto, was born on the 29th of August 1942 in Shikarpur. He was educated at M.A.L.B. He was a professor of Islamic Studies by profession, from where he retired in August 2002. Ehsan Danish belonged to a scholarly literary family. His grandfather, Mawla Baksh Miskin Bhutto, was a great poet. His father, Habibullah Mawla Baksh Bhutto, was also a good poet and a famous writer. Therefore, under the influence of his family, Ehsanullah Danish also got interested in literature and started writing from 1953. Many of his important articles like Shikarpur, Jomadior Fukul, Rahmatullah Alamanisa, Ethic of Holy Prophet, Hijri Sun, and Sukar Darya, etc., have been published in various magazines and newspapers. He also launched the Talim newspaper, the first issue of which was published in 1953. It was published on the 14th of August 1958, and a total of 3 issues were published. After that, from October 1986, the newspaper started publishing in the form of a magazine, Talim Solso, of which 8 issues were published. Later, from June 1989, the series was started under the name Sirhan Publication Shikarpur, of which 4 issues were published. Professor Ehsanullah Bhutto died on the 27th of June 2010 in Shikarpur.